9/19/19. I'm gonna do a video log of what I need to get done. Remind myself, hopefully I get it done. We'll see within a couple of months. A little tour of the farm, here we go. There's Jenny, 67 Dodge, good old Jenny. Right now we're trimming the trees, trying to help so I can get a good mountain view. Trees. We're gonna paint the house. Front yard's gonna look like a desert with all these cactuses, nice cactuses where you can walk around, have lunch. Cactus garden. Doing some agriculture, some growing right there. This will be all type 2 gravel. This will be like a little fruit forest where you can walk in between and eat some organic fruit. Sorry, not organic, it's natural. No spraying, no nothing. Bamboo getaway, go inside, meditate, say some prayers, whatever you like. More agriculture. This will be all gravel. A little hideaway. It's our agave farm. Got 2 types of agave right now. More agriculture, growing. Big pen. We got the alpaca pen. Say hi. Little fiddle. Little Bo Peep. Some more crops. Will be a little battlefield for the rams that we're getting some Himalayan show goats. Like a little battlefield right there, it'd be nice. There's a little pen. This will be for the alpaca. This right here, probably mini goat and mini donkeys. Let's see, maybe a buffalo. The chicken coop. This will be a little fruit garden. You can have the trees for shade, feed the animals. It'll be all along here. You can walk around and pick your own fruit. Now, we're gonna make this go through this building. And into this building, then go in this coop. Plan to put a little pond right there for the ducks. They can walk through that wall right there and then come on in on this side. This will be all gravel, type 2. There's our organic garden, all along that fence. A little fire pit right there. This is going to get transformed to a mini room, Airbnb. Nah, who knows? Maybe park this thing. That'll be all bamboo trees. Make a privacy wall. It's a nice view where I get the moon. This will be all enclosed pretty soon. Just paint that. The fire pit right there. Some crops. Organic garden. Some fruit trees. Gravel. Chicken coops. Paint these things. Finish the front yard. And we'll be good.